Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your JCPenney credit card online. So here's how you can use your JCPenney credit card to shop online. First, visit the JCPenney official website and make sure you are signed in to your account. Begin your shopping by selecting the items you want. Each item you choose will be added to your shopping cart. Once you're done, click on See Cart to review and ensure all your selected items are there. If everything looks good, click Checkout and you will see several payment options. Select the credit card option and then choose JCPenney Credit Card. Enter your card details, follow the prompts, and complete your payment. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining us today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides.